Hi friends, welcome to Data Info. In this video, we will talk about real-time case number 16 and second in the 100 days of SQL list. So the question is best employee award we need to find. So if I go to the details, so this is our question. So the question is where company wants to award employees based on number of projects completed by each individual for each month. Write an SQL query to find the best employee for each month along with the number of projects completed by him or her in that month. So basically, this is our source table. So in this table, if you see, we have three columns: project ID and employee name and project completion date. So we have the date and employee details and also project details. So by using this source table, we need to generate this particular output. So basically what this output means, basically, based on this table, they're asking us to find the best employee for each month based on the number of projects completed by the employee. So whoever completed more projects in that month, we need to populate that particular employee name. So if I go to the SQL server, you will see the same data. So this is our table. So on top of this table, we need to generate this particular output. So what they are asking us to find out the best employee for each month. So how we can find out, we will see. So here we will write the query. So this is our table. Select start from projects, right? This is our initial table. Here, this is our project table. So first of all, what we will do is here they are asking us to find the best employee award for each and every month, right? So we have the date column. So from this date column, first step, we will extract the year and month. First step, we will extract the year and month from this particular column. So let's see. For that, we have couple of functions in SQL. So we will use the latest function which is available currently. So what I will do is after, so the function name is format. So this will help you to extract particular part from the, we have the many functions. So date part is there, date part which will help you to extract some part of the date. So the latest function is format. So format also will work same as date part. So let me extract project completion date is the column. So from this column, what I want to extract is I need year, then I need month. So this is what we need. Why? Because we need to find the best employee for each and every month. So due to that reason, I'm extracting these details. So let me give column name as year, year and month. So this is my new column. So let me execute now. So this format will help you to extract some part of the date. So some part of the date means year and month. So only we need year and month. So it is working fine. So 2023-01, 2023-02 here, 2023-02. 25 is not required. 25, 24, 15, 22 is our date, but we need only month. So this is enough. So first part is completed. Then after that, what I want to do is, so I want to count number of projects. So for that, what I will do is I will use the count of star as number of projects completed. So this is my second column. So number of project completed by whom? Each and every individual, right? So here we need to use employee column, employee name for each and individual, how many projects they completed. So here also I need to use same column. And also here one more tricky part is each and individual fine. But if I only include employee name, you will see the total number of projects for entire date, right? So due to that reason, we have to include date column also. Why date column? Shilpa completed how many projects in that particular month? Only that number we need, not in the entire year. So due to that reason, what I will do is employee name fine, but month also we need to add, right? Month also we need to add each and every employee. how many project is completed for that particular month. So Shilpa completed few project in first month, and same Shilpa will completed some more project in second month. So due to that reason, I am adding this particular column also. I cannot use directly, so I am using the same formatted column. So this is fine. Now I will execute. So we added two columns, and then after that, yeah, fine. Here I will run. Incorrect syntax here. Okay, this formatted. Then employee name, group by column name. What is the error here? Select project near, incorrect syntax near project end date. So let me see the error. Here looks fine. As also fine. Some projects group by employee name. Then after that, this one also fine. Oh, comma missing. No. Now let me add semicolon here. Now this is looks good. So we got the total number of projects by each and every individual for that particular month. Let's validate this one. So Shilpa completed three projects in first month. So if I go to Shilpa, first month, three projects. Same Shilpa, how many project completed in second month? One project. Yeah, this is working fine. So this is step one. So for now, what I will do is I will store this result set in CTE as this result set. So this CTE I will give as some name I am giving. So the name is monthly project count. Monthly project count. So this is my CTE name. So let me run the query now. My CTE name is this one. Now you will see the same data, but I provided CTE. Okay, now fine. So second step, what I will do is on top of this data, what I will do is if you see here first month, three employees completed couple of projects. So on top of for this particular month, what I need to find, I need to give award to only one particular person. So how I will give the award based on the number of project completed by each and every individual. So here for this month, three employees are there. Three on top of these three employees, Shilpa completed more projects. So for month one, I need to give award to Shilpa. The second month, I need to give award to Mukesh because he completed more project when compared to Rahul and Shilpa. So for that reason, I will add one more CTE by using this data. So what I will do is I will add here rank. I can do it single query only, but this is better query compared to do it all stuff in single query. So what I will do is ranked projects is my new CTE name. For this CTE, what is the source? Above CTE only. So here I will pull only the required columns. Employee name I need. Then after that year month also I need. Then after that number of projects also I need. From where? Above CTE. The CTE name is this one. Then after that why we are doing the CTE means to provide the rank to each and every employee based on the number of project completed in that month, right? So let me do the rank over here partition by year month for each and every month. So for each and every month, order by what number of project completed by individual. So order by DES. This is the main part. So then give the some column RNK will give. So we'll see what we are displaying. So this is I will display from my opposite. Let me execute now. Incorrect syntax again. Y comma here. Then where it is incorrect syntax, select employee name. Then after that year month, same. Till here looks good. Then why I am doing here? From here and here. Monthly project here. Yeah. Oh, first column, second column, third column, then this column. Then after that, our table. Our table is monthly project count. Then after the CTE and here, then query. Error. Ranked project. Select employee name. Then after that, year name, number of project completed. Rank also we did the then month projects correct only. Where it is here ranked project as missing up as now what I did, I provided the rank to each and every okay, each and every employee based on the number of project completed for that particular month. Yeah, this is correct. If you see only for first month, 3 records came. For number of project completed by Shilpa is 3, so I need to give rank 1. So that is working fine. So yeah, now what we need to do is just we need to extract these first records from each and every month. So what I can do is RNK equals to 1. That condition I can use where RNK should be equals to 1. This will give me the required result set. This is the result set what we are seeing in the Excel. So Shilpa and Mukesh. Shilpa, Mukesh and 0102. Then these 2 columns. If you want only the required columns, then we can use only required columns. But yeah, this is the output. So this is the query. So here I did couple of steps. So basically, let me explain those steps of what I did. If I go to PPT, so basically the question is, they want to give award to employees for each month based on the number of projects completed by the employees. So whoever completed more projects for that employee, we need to give the award. That is the question. So for that reason, what I did as a first step, I need to extract the year and month because we have the full date. Full date from full date, what I'm doing, I'm extracting the year and month by using the format. This is the new function. So it will help us to extract the one particular part, some part of the date. So here some part means year and month. So I extracted by using format. So I specified whatever format I need, that formatted is specified here. Then after that, what I need to do, I need to count the number of projects. So how I can do, either you can use the project ID or star. So here I am using the star. This star on based on which columns. So number of project completed and based on which columns. First is employee name. So for each and individual, how many projects are completed? Each and individual at which month, year, or for example, I worked on some XYZ company. So I completed XYZ project for that year or for that month. So here the question is for that month, right? So due to that reason, I included both the columns, employee name and the date. For which period you want to see that count? The period is month. So due to that reason, I use this column. So this is the step 1. We did the year month. Then after that, we counted the number of projects for each and every employed for that particular month only. So this is the tricky part here. Then if I go to step 2, on top of this CTE, whatever the result is generating in step 1, on top of that CTE, we need to provide the ranks. Why we need to provide the rank means here uh, for month 1, if you see here for month 1, three employees three employees are there. From the 3 employees, we need to find out whoever completed more projects. So here the Shilpa completed 3 projects and it is greater value when compared to other 2 employees. So we need to provide the rank for for these records. So due to that reason, I provided the rank in step 2. So we provided the rank in step 2. Then after that, once you provided the rank, then we filter out the records. We need only the single record from each and every month. So that is what we did. So if I go to query one more time, so this is the query. So this is for step 1. This is for step 2. So step 2 we performed on top of step 1. So this is our step 1. This is our step 2. Here it is very straightforward only. Here on top of this result set, I provided the rank. On how I provided means based on the number of project completed. So whoever completed more project for that employee, we need to give the rank 1. Why here year month means for each and every month we need to provide the awards. So due to that reason, we used partition by year month, order by number of projects completed. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.